get a bunch of weird crap. Going live. There we go. TikTok should be coming up soon. YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch. Twitcha, chicka chicka. Bow, bow. Chicka chicka. High budget production here today. Filled up with non-sugary sugars, chemical sugars. Very nice. Today we're running a flashback sale. I don't know if anybody saw this. We have not had this sale in over 2 years. 2 years. The sale has been gone, eliminated, never to be seen again. We brought it out today. Feeling a little nostalgic, a little flashback for 3 years ago when we started this whole thing. So today, you guys are able to get a premium lifetime membership, which has not been available for 2 years. Today, $750. Go get it now. Buy one for you. Buy one for your friends. Buy one for your neighbors. Buy one for your pastor. Buy one for every church member. Buy one for every person you see on the street. Buy one for everyone you've ever seen in your life. Do it now. Thank you, everybody on TikTok. I appreciate that. If you guys can see and hear me on TikTok, type in a 1. It's saying cannot connect, trying to connect. I don't know if it's connected or not. Can you guys see and hear me on TikTok? I don't know what is going on with TikTok right now. Anybody?
Apparently looks like you're connected, Coach.
All right, thank you. Yep, it must be now. Says it's going to change video quality to get me to where we need to be.
Yeah, the quality takes a hit. I think it goes down to like 360p.
Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, for whatever reason, I have to stream off my phone, even though I'm, got the highest end for Wi-Fi in the hotel. It's not helping at all. So streaming off my phone, I apologize if internet is a little unstable. We'll get through it. Today is my last day here. I will be traveling back tomorrow early in the morning. Should be able to get back before I go live. So I'll be driving in the morning, and I should be back tomorrow, back at home base tomorrow. Thank you again, everybody. Double tap that screen. If you're watching over there on the TikTok, you don't stop. We get to 300 concurrent viewers today. We'll do a giveaway. Make sure you click that follow. Thank you so much. Again, we're doing a flashback sale. We have not ran this in 2 years. This was not even available to anybody for 2 years. You can get the lifetime premium membership. That's our OG premium membership today for $750. Thank you again for hanging out with me the last 3 years. Appreciate it. Boy, internet is really unstable. You guys still with me, Zoom? Zoom, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. We're here.
Thank you. Yeah, it's super unstable. It's like not loading screens. It's acting all silly. Okay, good. Yeah, TikTok is definitely not feeding the system here. FOMC. Is that today, 2 o'clock?
2 and 2:30. Yep.
Yep. So we will have 2 areas of crazy market today, 2 o'clock. And then again, when they talk about it at 2:30, if you are new to trading, you will not trade anywhere near 2 o'clock through the rest of the day. Sit on your hands, just watch, listen, observe, and learn. It's not for you to trade during that time, right? So be cool. My TikTok is a mess right now. I might have to restart that. It is really acting funky. Those numbers don't come up, I'll have to kill the stream and bring it back up. So everybody on TikTok, double tap that screen, click share, because the algorithm is freaking out because of the internet connection. The next time I'll have to pull out my Starlink Mini, plug it in with a damn extension cord and point it at the sky, right? You're so right. Okay, great. Feel like I'm alone in here. Is everybody in this room? Are you guys awake?
Yes, I
Thank you.
am.
Come on, we gotta get this
We're
party
here.
started. Time to get fired up.
You didn't play the music. I need the music to get fired up.
We can't play the music now. We're live.
Damn it.
It will banish us. Appreciate you. Real quick, want to say thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Diesel, Dan, Gilly, and Mountain Man. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. I'll take it. All right, I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Last opportunity for everybody to dive in and get the Diamond Lifetime membership. You will want to do that ASAP if you have the ability to do so. This is your last chance. All lifetime memberships are going bye-bye. Bye-bye now. If you're interested in what they are, if you go over to our new member start here, click on membership info. We'll tell you everything there is to know about them. The premium membership starting at $125 will get you access to the membership lounge, Zoom training and trading every day at 8:45 to 4 o'clock, as long as the stock market is open. Hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, which we posted this morning, earnings, and our videos on demand. Just so you guys know, again, you can get this in a lifetime membership. We will link it in TikTok right now. Lifetime premium membership today. We have not had this in 2 years. $750 for a lifetime premium membership. Otherwise, we have the diamond, which we'll talk about in a little bit. VIP. With VIP, if you guys want to upgrade to the VIP membership, starting at $500 a month, you guys will get early pre-market access starting at 4 o'clock. You can train and trade with us at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on per month. All the advanced VIP training videos. We have over 50 of those. The trading view indicators, which we have 3.0, 3.1 coming soon to you, also for futures. You guys are going to love that. So all of that with the VIP membership. If you guys want to step it up to VIP Gold, you'll get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour tech support, weekend training. That's every Saturday. You'll also get the Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, the news service, breakout rooms, which we've had every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Everything is recorded for Gold members. And you'll get the live Apple chat where David over there has been trading inside of the 2-minute EWO for 2.5 years now. Has made over $600,000 doing that. We also have the futures. If you guys are interested in just trading futures, Mark is over there training that right now. That's every day from 8:45 till 4 o'clock. You'll get futures training and trading. You'll get all the terminology, all the education, all the training videos, the futures lounge, the trading view indicators, all of that. Moderators, we need to fix this today. Go over and fix every one of these slides for me, if you would. Get these accurate. For futures, futures VIP, futures VIP Gold, etc. But you guys will gain access to all of that today with the futures. We also have the mentorship starting at $500 a month. The mentorship is sitting with myself or one of our training moderators every Thursday for 1 hour. This is where you can ask any and all questions inside of that room. You guys, it's a smaller group setting. You'll be able to sit with us for an hour every Thursday. The Diamond, again, this is a limited lifetime membership. This is a $20,000 service. We have a sale right now for $5K. You have over $50,000 worth of services. You want to get it now. With the Diamond, you're going to get mastermind classes, 1 hour tech support, weekend training every Saturday, the VIP Gold Lounge access, the priority help desk support, the news service, the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Everything will be recorded, all the live Apple chat, the pre-market early access from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP advanced training videos, the trading view indicators, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the regular videos on demand, the futures lounge, the futures VIP, the futures VIP gold, the platinum, the crypto VIP, the crypto VIP gold, the news service for each one of those in the gold. Everything will be recorded for you. The mentorship program, I cannot stress enough how amazing the Diamond is. The Diamond right now is $5K, which is the cost of just one of my lifetime memberships. You can get everything right now. Everything right now for $5K. Who's scooped up the Diamond lifetime memberships? Open your mic, let the world know. And my internet is so bad right now. I think I lost you guys. Are you there?
Coach, you look good, man. All tanned up.
I'll speak for them. Easy Jack, congratulations on your lifetime Diamond lifetime membership. Also, what do we got? We got Bruno and Kyle. Or Sly. Sile. I don't even know how to pronounce that.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your Diamond lifetime memberships.
Thank you. The latest Diamond members. I appreciate all of you. You guys are awesome. Can I get my money back if I'm not making any money? Listen, number one, you're not here to make money. You're here to learn. It has nothing to do with making money. Making money is just a side effect of what we do, but it has nothing to do with that. Here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. If you are coming into this room, I promise you, if all you are trying to do is make money, you'll lose your ass off. You'll blow up your account. You'll go join 15 rooms with a bunch of the little kids that you guys see at 3 o'clock in the morning before they go to their day jobs. You'll lose all your money over there. You'll just bounce all over the place and you'll never be successful. So if that's what you plan on doing, see ya. I don't need you here, right? We are the largest, most profitable, fastest growing stock market education company in the United States that I am aware of. We lead in sales and service across the board of over 65,000 businesses over in our merch store. There's a reason for that. We are the best of the best. Over 200 million in profits. Over 200 people have retired. We've made 12 millionaires so far. 10 of them, by the way, had never traded a day in their life. This is something you will never get anywhere ever as long as you live forever. Okay? Great. So I appreciate everybody being here. The 200 million, by the way, in profits, don't come at me for receipts. Well, I want to see everybody's tax forms and I want to stop. I've got screenshots of people having amazing trades, people making right money doing the things. One of my members made 5.6 million in a single day. I've had multiple members make over 2 million in a single trading session per day. I've got people, right, that have made over 30 million, 22 million, another one at 30 million, 15 million, 10 million, 8 million. I made another one, a million that just happened. Like, you add these numbers up, it's fast. Anybody that's been here longer than a week? Am I lying or am I telling the truth about everybody making the money in here? You open the microphones. I'm sick of hearing myself talk about it. You tell the world. Am I telling the truth or is it a bunch of bullshit? Go.
You're telling the truth,
Thank
Coach.
you.
You can round.
100% truth with
Thank you.
receipts.
100%
Inspired.
legit.
It's all true. We are all witnesses to it.
Thank you.
This
No
is
lying
a
over here.
master's
I'm a real
degree.
boy. I'm a real boy.
A
We ain't got
master's
lie to kick it.
degree.
Thank you. I know I always just sound like the sales guy over here, like sell the metal, selling products. And I'm like, you guys, right? The proof is in the pudding. I jumped into a little live thing and literally as I was prepping up on this, right? And I saw some sort of financial guru thing, 12 people were watching it. I was like, oh man, this is rough. There's so many, there's so many things you guys could be watching, learning, and listening to. There's so many YouTube videos and people that have been out there, right, trying to do what we are doing. It's not the same. It's not.
Hey,
I don't
Coach.
care. Yeah, I've seen them all. I've been in a bunch of them. I know most of the owners, at least the ones that are up on the leaderboard with me. I know most of them. I talk to them all the time. No one, and I repeat, no one does what American Dream Trading does on a daily consistent basis. We're all about risk management here. We're all about setting you up with strategies that are successful, that have been back tested and proven with major millions and millions of dollars of results. This is not some little kid you guys are catching at 3 o'clock in the morning, or sorry if you guys can hear all the airplanes. I got the doors open. By the way, can you guys hear the ocean? Is that too loud?
No, I don't hear ocean at all.
Okay.
Nah, that's getting canceled out. You good?
All right. Perfect.
Ocean is good, Coach.
Thank you.
It's good for concentration.
Yeah, it's so beautiful out here. We just took a couple days. We went and, stayed just to get out of the house. It's absolutely beautiful. It's 9:19.
Coach,
Yeah, go.
can I tell Bruno to add another hot stock pick to the hot stocks?
Just type it into one of the chats or the stock lounge, or type it in. Yeah, type it in the Zoom chat or the VIP. That'd be the easiest way.
Got it. ASST. Got it. Thank you.
Yep. Or just blurt it out live if you want. Appreciate you. All right. Anyways, it's we got about 10 minutes to go. FOMC again. Everybody be cool around 2 o'clock. We're gonna have some topsy-turvy stuff. We don't know what's going to happen in the market. Do not trade a bias. Trade the trades. I want everybody to have good, clean, look for A+ setups. Remember, this is micro May. That means you guys are going to only trade small and not as many trades today, right? Isn't that the goal for micro May? Small trades, everybody be cool. Good. All right. Now the market has been on a tear. It's been running ever since, what is this? April 9th. April 9th, the market has just been screaming, right? So we'll see what happens. You can see long term, we're starting to come up on some levels of resistance, a major one right here. Around this, what is this, 5? It's going to be somewhere around here, this 573. So the closer we get, now I know we're far away from this, but I want you guys to look at big picture stuff, right? Always pull back, always look at big picture. I know we trade a lot in the 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute, but I want you guys always, right? Always go back till you have data. Always go back till you have data. So just looking at some of those key areas that we'll be watching as they start to get closer. But you can see the market has just been ripping every single day. We are almost back to the all-time highs in the stock market. So if you guys have been listening to the news that's talking about recession and the stock market is crashing and I can't believe how much money we've lost, it's all full of shit. None of that has happened. None of that has happened, by the way, at all. Not even close. So you guys can turn off the little kids in the suits that haven't been around very long. I've been doing this for 33 freaking years, right? Longer than most of the people you see on TV have been alive.
And Coach,
I've been in the stock market. Go. Go ahead.
They also announced yesterday that China's meeting U.S. in Switzerland.
I saw that, and India's getting rid of all tariffs. Did you guys see that as well? All
Yep,
tariffs.
also.
And they had the highest tariffs against the United States. They're going to get rid of all of them. What do you know? It works. Okay. If you guys look at this, I want you guys to look at this big picture. I'm using the day chart. This is where the entire, right, all of CNN and MSNBC money and all the little kids in suits that have no experience at all in finances said that this was a recession. Oh boy. Does that look like a recession? Anybody? Okay.
No, coach, even Goldman
Oh,
Sachs
most
said the
definitely,
same thing.
coach.
It's terrible, right? The world's falling, right? I just, again, please turn off the radios, right? Because I don't remember us talking about recession for right here in this 2-year bearish winter. Does anybody remember them calling recession from 2022 to
Hey, coach,
2024 to
JP Morgan said that. Goldman Sachs said the same thing.
right? Oh, did he? Well, I've been saying it every day, right? Look at it. Does this look like recession? Nobody talked about our 2-year bearish market, right? Nobody talked about how it took 2 years from January 2022 to January 2024 to make new highs. I don't remember that. That's weird. So
literally a
anyways,
crater.
it's yeah,
So,
look at it.
coach,
Yeah, hold on, look at it. In the scheme of things, if you go back and look at this, in the scheme of things, right? Look at this. This is the last 10 years on my screen. The last 10 years on my screen, 2015 to 2025, right here is your largest recession in the last 10 years. Can anybody see it, or is it just me?
no, makes sense, coach. It's just that
All right, good deal.
what I want to add to what you're saying is the day when the he extended the relief to 90 days, literally a few minutes after, Goldman Sachs came out and say, okay, we're no longer going to have a recession.
Yeah, it's
So
it's a good thing you were here though, right? Because I've been telling you the whole time. I've been telling you, don't listen to that stupidness. I've already been through all these market conditions. I've already seen all of the nonsense. I already know the games that are played, right? I already know how bad they wanted to short the hell out of the market, right? I already knew how they wanted to drag it down for a long time so you can make billions on the shorts. And then I already knew that they were going to try to hold it down so they could get the hell out of the shorts that they were doing, right? This is why it's, did you just listen?
one more thing.
Well, we got 5 minutes, so we don't have a
Go
ton
ahead,
of
sorry.
time for one more things, but I'm serious. Listen, what did I say while it was all pulling back? Add in, buy, max out retirements. Did anybody hear me say sell? Has that ever come out of my mouth? Long-term investment. Have I ever told you dump, get out, right?
No, you said buy.
Yes. If you
Pay
did,
attention, people.
yeah, if you did, you are all in a great place now. While everybody's, oh, my 401ks are taking a hit and all this stuff, it's such a small temporary blip. It's been a couple months. It is the smallest blip. You guys should be thinking 30, 40, 50 years. Even if you were close to retirement, you should have already had an exit plan. You should have already known what you were doing. You shouldn't have waited till the last minute anyways. And if you guys are selling when the market is correcting and pulling back, you're not a part of American Dream trading.
And just one other parallel, not only has he said to buy different place, he said, buy the diamond, get in before prices go up.
Exactly. Buy the
There
dip.
we go, coach.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. Buy the dip and let it rip. Get that 5K diamond membership for reals. Yeah, I can't stress that enough. Get in there, right? I've been running the sale for a while now. The moderators know. We have been making sure there's been so many people getting into this amazing deal. Again, today, premium lifetime membership. So if all you wanted was the $125 a month membership, $750 lifetime. I turned that off 2 years ago. When I only had it when I first started. Do you guys remember? I turned it off. It's been off for 2 years. You could not buy an OG. How many people in this room right now bought the original OG lifetime membership? Open your mics.
Me.
I did.
Yes, sir.
I did.
I did.
Did Coach.
Man.
I did. Now I'm diamond.
Me,
Coach.
best money I ever
Thank you.
spent.
Thank you.
Yep, I did.
Thank you. And that's what I was going to
August of
ask.
2021.
Was it worth the $550, $750, or $1,000 you paid before I turned it off? Was it worth it?
Oh yeah.
1,000%.
Well, we're still here.
Thanks.
Not just the trading coach, but the life lessons, brother. Thank you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Checks in the mail. Appreciate you. All right, we got
Best
about
money I ever spent.
Thank you. We got about 2.5 minutes. We're going to crush this market sold. Today I will be live trading a futures account, just trying to promote our futures. Don't worry, I'll come back into some stocks and options. I'm just trying to promote the futures side of it so you guys can get a little taste. You guys can see it. Again, get the diamond. You guys can just jump in and out, trade whatever you want, from crypto to stocks to options to futures to everything, right? If you can't get it, don't worry. If you need us to do some sort of a payment arrangement, we've been setting people up. Listen, we're doing everything we can to get you to where you need to go. We really are. That's a $20,000 program for 5, right? I'm trying to get as many people in as possible to show you, so you will talk about what we do here. So get out there, tell the world. You've seen it. Listen, you don't have to necessarily be the success story. We already have millions of people, right, for the success story. You don't have to be like, well, look at me. I've made $1 million. Therefore, now I can talk about it. We don't need to wait for you to be the millionaire. You already see how this works. You already know what's going on. Why are you keeping it a secret? Get out there and tell the freaking world about American Dream Trading. If people saw the types of things that we're doing and the strategies, and I mean, we make the Wall Street people look like little kids, right? The Wolf of Wall Street made nothing compared to my people in here. I hope you guys actually understand that, right? When you're like, oh, these are the greatest stock, they've made so. We have the greatest stock market traders. Am I right or wrong? 50 seconds. Am I right? Do we or do we not have the greatest stock market traders the world has ever seen? Tell me.
Yes,
Hell yeah, we do.
Yes, sir. 100%, Coach.
Unbelievable.
Mark, you got the coffee cup.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't see any other programs anywhere where people are making $1 million a day or $1 million a month or $30 million, right? And they've never even traded before. If you guys know any of those, let me know.
Well, they say they do, but there's no receipts to prove it.
Well, and
You
they
know what I'm
don't.
saying?
Seconds.
They don't. I got it. They don't. They've never said it. I've never seen one. I've never seen one say it before. All right, here we go. It's 9:30. Let's crush this market. Again, I'm going to be trading. Remember, I'm going to be trading micros. I suggest everybody go small position sizes, right? Don't swing for the fences. Everybody be cool. Gonna get in a little dabble do ya right here. Little dabble do ya. Little micro action. Might be a little too small. What could it be? 7, sure. We'll take it to 10. We'll do 10. We'll look at that. Small position sizes today, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Fewer trades, smaller position sizes. That's what we're after today, okay? Take a little bit off. Nice. Just getting a little bit of a move here. I'll take the rest. Boom. We'll start the day off with a positive trade. Apple to the downside. 2-minute EWO is already in effect. Apple to the downside right out of the gate. Doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. Make sure you guys are being extremely patient. Looking for an A+ setup. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I can see TikTok now starting to boom. Thank you for all those brand new follows and those gifts. It does help the algorithm out. Appreciate you. Looking real nice. You guys let me know if you see anything. Make sure we catch it on the first indicator on the 2-minute EWO when possible. If you guys see any hot stock pick runners, let us know. There's a hot stock pick running to the upside or the downside. most likely to the upside, because that's usually what we do, because a lot of times they don't let you short the hot stock picks. Remember, if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you're paper trading only. Do not use real money. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Small position sizes and stops on every trade. Make sure you journal those trades. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you.
Google to the upside above pre-market level.
Thank you. Apple still to the downside on the 2-minute EWO. Make sure you guys are using our brand new Trading View Indicators 3.0 to give you that confidence that you need to stay in those trades. Make sure you guys are using that shedding technique. Don't come up with your own little strategies. You know ours work. Start with ours, then you can add yours in later. Thank you. Looking to see if we get another move here on SPY or not. So far, everything is still to the downside. We did have a run up there a little bit in the pre-market. So, of course, it sold off. That's why you guys saw me sell it or short it at the open. Found quick support here at 559.60. 559.60 found support on SPY. So we're looking to see if it can break that. If it does, that'll be a good shorting area. Just letting it work itself out. Again, give it a couple minutes. Be patient. Wait for those A+ setups. Double top, double bottom. Something really nice. Look for cup and handles. Inverse cup and handles. Head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders. Those are always good A+ setups. A little bit harder to identify those. That's why I love the cup and handles. It's very clear. Same with tops and bottoms for doubles. Looking real nice.
ASST halted up.
Thank you. ASST halted to the upside. Is that a hot stock pick?
Yeah, they just added it.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruno.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you for that
Sorry,
call out.
Coach, that was the one I.
Yep, I got it. Thank
Sorry,
you.
Coach, that was the one I blurted out.
Yep,
I
got
apologize.
it. No, you're good. Thank you so much for getting it added. They're like little Pokemon. We try to catch them all. Good call.
AMD to the upside.
AMD to the upside. Thank you. Good call out. Waiting on my internet says unstable.
5 seconds, 2-minute EWO.
Sure what that is. Someone I get that? Let's check the cues. Here we go. Cues, same thing to the downside. SPY here still pulling to the downside. Just sitting here flat, not really doing anything. I'm waiting.
So far moving up, second, EWO.
Moderators, I will get that. Don't you worry. Everything's muted.
Tesla on your low.
Thank you. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the downside. I'm going to look at shorting right here on a quick scalp. Just going very small position. Want to see if this is going to have a move. Setting my stop. There we go. Nice pull. Nice. Good trade. Moving my stop. This is a bounce area. 559.60 was previous support. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Moving my stop up $250 on this trade live in front of your faces with 10 micros. Looking for a double bottom bounce here. That's why I'm moving my stop so tight. Why give up a lot? There it is. Boom, just sold. Made $200 off that trade. Looking for support here. See if this is going to bounce to the upside. It should. Going to go in small right here. Put in a stop. Looking for a bounce. If it doesn't bounce, I will I will short this. There it goes. I say I was going to short this. Stop was a little too tight right there. Please don't have too tight of stops because that got wicked out. Should not have been that tight. Again, that 559.50 is support. And there goes the bounce. That's the bounce I should have got a piece of. And there it goes. Did anybody catch that little bounce? Good job. Good job. Coach just had too tight of a stop. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside. Who's making money over there, Apple 2-minute EWO riders? Good job. Glad to hear it. The crowd goes wild.
Coach, hit it.
Thank you.
I am, coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Nice job. The only reason I'm doing it, Mark, is because I just want them to see me doing micros. Otherwise, I would just be doing minis. It's honestly just so they can see me doing micros, since we're doing micro May, right, with Ange. But yeah, trust me, as soon as I get bored, you already know I'm going to flip to NQ minis. Am I right, everybody in the room? Let's be honest. Let's call it what it is. But I'm just trying to get you guys in the mindset, right? I want small position sizes, A+ setups, let the runners run. Everybody be cool. Thank you, Alex, for all the gifts. The lightning bolts, Yahoo. Thank you for the gifts. Chart and Soul. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for those new follows. I appreciate that. Thank you. Still sitting here on support now. That's SPY and ES futures, of course. Still sitting on support.
IWM broke below VWAP.
Thank you.
PLTR to the upside, approaching double top.
Thank you. PLTR. Thank you. Good call out.
NVIDIA 2-minute red looking good.
Thank you. Waiting. I'm going to flip to micro NQs just to get a little bit more movement off the little micros. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside. Tesla finding support at 274.75, but still to the downside here at the open. Qs still to the downside. Looking to see if we get a pullback right here on SPY. If it's going to do it, this is going to be the spot sitting at VWAP right now. Those are supposed to be markets. I missed the order because I had it set to limit when it should have been market. Again, just trading internet again. I apologize. It's a little sluggish today. ES popping off. Same with SPY. Looking good.
Same with IWM.
Thank you. 561. Just be careful. We had a lot of traffic in there in the pre-market at 561. Get a break and hold of that 561. I'll look at longing it again. Here we go. Is this going to hold? It's up here on this double top for SPY right there. Everybody see it? I'll short this with a tighter stop just in the event that it does go that way. There goes the stop. Boy, it's taken a while for my things to go in place.
Amazon forming a double top.
Thank you. Should have enough room on this so it doesn't just get wicked out. We will see. This does pull back off the double top. I'll add in. If it breaks through, I will go long, just like we always do every day, right?
It looks like a mini double top, right?
It is. It's just a tiny one. Yeah, it's just a tiny quick scalp double top off there. It's not a major double top like pre-market high or previous day high.
No.
It's a tiny double top. But I could take it for a couple $100.
Yeah.
Previous hot sock GPUS to the upside broke double top.
All right, thank you.
Especially a lot of big seven, a kind of similar position. So
Yep, just sitting here flat. Yep.
uh-huh.
See if we're gonna get a pullback here. Otherwise, it's gonna
I'm
push
waiting.
through. If it pushes through, then I will go long. There we go. Taking half off the table. Still got my stop in place. Really looks like it wants to push through up there, but I'm still gonna let it work. Still a micro double top. I've gone green a couple times. I could have taken the trade. Still letting it work. That's what's nice about being in small, right, everybody? I can let it work without
Amazon's still looking good to the upside.
I can let it work without ripping my face off. Like I said, if this decides to go long, then I'll go with it, which it is. Boom, a minute to go long here. Flip the script. If it's going to stay up here, we'll go long with it. Let it work. Gonna add in. Nice. Getting a nice run. See if it can stay and hold. Had a beautiful push to the upside, and it's just sitting here. It's sitting here scared now, right? Come on. What are you gonna do?
561.30 was end of day resistance yesterday.
Was it? Okay, good to know.
Yeah, it's 561, 561.30 is kind of.
Got it. Thank you.
Be careful on that little mini channel.
Got it. Thank you. Here we go. See if we get a nice pop off of this. Still trying to work. Let's check on Apple while this is sitting here working.
It's at VWAP, trying to go through VWAP to the upside.
Yep, Apple 197.35 is where it found a small level of support. 197.35. Still waiting here on SPY, ES, and NQ. See what it wants to do. Oh, we're getting a flush. We're getting that flush over here. Now I can see though where support is. There it goes. Nice. So it came back down onto the 21, at least on my NQ. I can see it touch the 9 on SPY on the 1 minute. So I have to be patient with it here. So just micros, letting them work. The futures intraday margin will be temporarily increased today from 1 to 3 o'clock. Just got the message from Webull, everybody. They're going to have higher margin requirements through the FOMC meeting today.
GPUS up 50%.
Thank you. Is that a hot stock pick?
Yes, it is. Coach.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Good job. There goes NQ starting to get a nice little move. Same with SPY and ES futures.
And NVIDIA too.
Thank you. Let's see what we got over here. We're checking Tesla. Tesla on the 200. Tesla still on the struggle bus trying to find support. NQ and SPY starting to get a little bit of momentum to the upside again. Same with the Qs, starting to get a little bit of a move to the upside, looking good. If the Qs can stay above that 200 here on the 1 minute, or on the 2 minute, I'm sorry, it'd be nice. It should be a nice move to the upside if we can stay up there. SPY coming up on the 200 at 561.50. So please be careful the closer you get up to that level, okay? Oh, uh-oh. What just happened? Uh-oh. Did you guys see that?
Yeah, the moment I just got in. Oh my gosh.
I did not have a stop. I'm going to put one in now. Coach, that was foolish with no stop. That would have completely protected me. The market just crashed out of nowhere. What do I say every day about those stops, ladies and gentlemen, right? Don't I say it every day?
Don't leave
Goodness.
out.
Goodness, right? Yikes. Double bottom range here. Triple bottom now. Wow, that was one heck of a pull out of nowhere. It was just beautiful up there. We're all like, yay. I was up like $300 or something. I was like, yay. And I was thinking, should I take some off? Because I'm getting close to the 200. I'm like, no, it's got a little bit more to go. Knife drop.
Coach, I feel it did the same thing yesterday.
I was literally trying to put a stop in it and that thing just
Yep.
pulled on me.
And what's the rule with the stops, ladies and gentlemen? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller?
Always have them.
When do we put them in?
Always have a stop.
At the time
At time
of
of
purchase. That's right. So if you're not clicking, anybody? Bueller?
Always have them.
When do we put them in?
Always have a stop.
At the time
At time
of
of
purchase. That's right. So if you're not clicking buy with the stop, you ain't doing it right. $1,000 mistake. Learn from the old man. Listen to the coach. Watch how I will lose that money because I don't listen to my own rules. Just so I can show you live what it can do to your soul. That'd be great. How much you want to bet I have a stop in place the rest of the day? Any takers? Any bets on that? Great. So it ripped against me. And then I tried to catch the tail of it, which just so happened to also be that double bottom or triple bottom bounce. So FOMO caught me on that triple bottom, right? Because I was trying to catch the tail to see if I assumed it was bad news that came out, right, with candles like that, but apparently not. It was just up there in that double top area. I told you guys, right, that was a rough spot from the pre-market.
Coach, the VP is speaking right now. That's why it's moving like this.
Oh, somebody's speaking?
The VP.
Okay, thank you. Whatever happened freaked the whole market out. I know we have conflict overseas that we cannot talk about on the air. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We just need someone to talk about that on the news, you know?
Oh yeah, that'll tank everything, yeah.
Conflict overseas, you mean PSG versus Arsenal in Champions League today?
I do. Good call.
ASST halted up again.
Oh, nice.
It's actually been moving up really good.
Yep, ASST. I had a previous level on that one at 177 from a long time ago. Let me look. Yeah, we were trading this before. This is a previous hot stock pick, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
it
is.
has been a couple of times in the
Yep.
past as well.
Yep.
Well, at least I recover my lost right now, so I'm okay.
Yep. Yeah, we bounce back.
Yeah, I bounced it back and I started to work my lost up and I'm good.
Yep.
Thanks God.
And then
It's
you
not
learned
much.
a very valuable lesson about putting that stop in at the time of
I was literally
purchase.
about to do that. Like, it's like, okay, stop. Oh, come on. I was like, seriously?
So everybody else, you do it right here. Stop loss before purchase, right? So you set it up. The second I click buy, it must be in place. So it's built in, right, everybody?
Only Webull does that. Fidelity doesn't do that.
Oh, it doesn't? You can't do it at the time?
No, sir.
Oh, wow.
By the time
Yeah.
you put it in, then you got to look and see if it went through.
Wow.
And then you got to go put a sell order.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
rough. I know what that would mean. Because I would not be using
You-
Fidelity.
If you buy with a stop loss and then just pull on it, it just doesn't have the time to grab it. So it go through it.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Yep. No, I don't like that.
No, that's exactly what happened. So
Mhm.
I'll recover it. I'm okay.
Good job. Good job. Still trying to recover off those big, nasty Widowmaker candles. Got my stop in place, like I said. So here's what happened. I was up here high on the hog, right? I was green. It was beautiful. Life was good. Tanked on me. Coach had no stop, which would have been about right here. Kept on crashing. I got out about right here. I saw it keep pulling. I tried to catch the tail end of it. You can see right here where I entered. By the time I entered, I was actually in this dangerous area right here, which is this triple bottom, right? Hoping to catch the tail if it was bad news, which would have continued this way. That didn't happen. So then I bought shorts right here, which you're supposed to buy longs on this area. But at least this time I put in a stop because it went against me. But I got chopped up. I got chopped up here and again here, right?
Coach, Mark said keep your eye on the piggies.
You.
Coach, hot stock GPUS. I want to look at that. Setting up real nice.
Yep.
Real nice.
Yeah, it looks beautiful right here. GPUS, hot stock pick. If you're a premium or any paid member, you had access to this GPUS before the stock market opened, which was down here. $5. And now we're up here, $7.50. So there's a $2 move.
$5 make it really holler.
Yes, if you were a premium member or higher, you had access to this. 1,000 shares, $2,000, just paid for your membership. Now today only $7.50 premium lifetime membership, paid for twice or 3 times just by having the hot stock picks. Thank you. Thank you.
Look
That's
at Spot back to where he was.
right. The clock. Don't we talk about the clock?
It's running that same
Wait to
channel.
sit in it and recover completely that thing.
Yep. It's all the way back. All the way back.
Crazy.
Up here
I
on
was so
that.
small, I did not panic. I was like, I don't care.
Yeah, that's what's nice about the small sizes, right? You just don't freak out when they're
Yeah, that's
small.
where you says position size matter.
Yep.
Yep, it does.
Yeah, if you guys would have been in really large, you would have freaked out and panicked and oh my gosh, and what now? And no. Apple still to the downside, still 2-minute EWO is in effect for Apple to the downside. Are you guys still in that Apple downside? I know you had a pullback here to VWAP and never broken held to the upside. Anybody?
Yes, sir. Good morning to you, Coach. Good
Good
morning to
morning.
you. Yes, sir. Just preparing my entry to the downside, waiting for it to pull back just a smidge.
Just a smidge, little dab will do you.
Little dab.
Who's in there still? Anybody? 2-minute EWO still in it? Apple?
ASST halted to the upside.
Oh, again, beautiful. Hot stock pick. ASST halted to the upside again. Thank you. Good
Up
job.
216%.
Oh, beautiful. Good job. 10 o'clock. We got 1 minute till shift change. Volume to come in 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Is everybody ready for that?
Let's see what happened.
Put your stops in. I just had to remind myself after that last debacle, like, Coach, where's your stop? Get them in there. We got about 30 seconds. 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds, okay? $20. Volume. 20 seconds. More volume is going to come in. $10. Apple 2-minute EWO still paying to the downside. That was the call was at the open. I called that literally at the open. Just told you to be patient. 2-minute EWO to the downside still on Apple. 6-star trade. Beautiful. Here comes the volume in the market. See what we're going to get. SPY still fighting that 200 level. Getting a pullback here at the 200 MA. Stop me out. Coach, 3 trades in a row got stopped out. 3 in a row. That thing does not want to break at all, this 561.50. What a battle up there.
Yeah, that's why I didn't get in on the second way up. I was like, nope.
Yeah, that is just a fight over there, right?
Coach, that's a previous gold level too.
Is it? Okay, good to know. Thank you. Yeah, that is the struggle bus over there.
Hey,
When
Coach, real
SPY
quick while you're
decided to
not in a
become
trade.
erratic like that, I'm like, I'm gonna leave it alone.
Go ahead. Somebody had a question about SPY. Go.
No, not about SPY, Coach. There's a streaming question on YouTube, wondering if we're streaming on X or not.
No, we're not. No, we keep having problems when we try to stream to X. I have no idea why X doesn't work for us, but no, we're not. Thank you for asking.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you, everybody, for being here, by the way. Has everybody entered into our giveaway? We have that free $1,000 giveaway at the end of this month. I hope you are. If you go to our stock lounge over on our Discord, it's free. It's literally free. It is a $1,000 cash giveaway coming up here in a little over 2 weeks. $1,000 cash giveaway, all automated. The system will automatically pick the winner. We'll announce it live. $1,000 cash. Very nice. Getting a little bit of volume. You can see the candles are starting to dance here.
TikTok went down.
Yep, I see it.
It's still choppy. It's
I
up, down, up, down, up, down.
I'm gonna go live again. I see it. It just died. I hate it when it does that. It doesn't alert me or anything when it's gonna die off like that. It makes no sense. It's supposed to pop up and say, hey, inactivity, do something. It's so silly. Can't stand that it does that. One of their largest streamers. We've been streaming on it for years and we still have to deal with this kind of nonsense. It's just silly. All right, still sitting here at this level. Hasn't really done anything yet.
And all big seven are not really moving right now. They're like stuck. Feel like it's stuck.
It's sitting up tall though, which I like. But yeah, it's just not making up its mind.
And all of them are like that. It feel like it's stop. It's weird.
Yep. Wait for that A+ setup, gang, which is going to be above 561.50 on SPY. Wait for that.
Bull, B-U-L-L, moving up.
Thank you. SPY still fighting 561.50. That is just, it is such a struggle bus for it. You can see the 9 has moved up. The 200 is sitting there, plain as day. Crazy, right?
Yeah, we gotta wait for a better setup.
Yep, wait for that break and hold of 561.50 if you're planning on longing it. Now, if you look at, if you're trading ES, you want to wait till the break of VWAP up here.
But on the 2-minute, the 21's about to cross the 55.
Thank you.
Take a look at Amazon,
Coach. See a good pop off that.
I'm on it. Oh,
Amazon is on double top.
Yep,
Yeah.
Amazon broke through the double top. You're in a nice spot now. Yeah, that's a beautiful setup. Just fighting it right here. There goes SPY and ES starting to get a pop. Yeah, draw this out right here so we can get a better eye on this. There you go. 50.
TikTok dumped again.
Did it?
Yep.
Yeah, it's trying. It says reconnecting. All right,
So did Amazon and SPY.
Can't possibly be tied together.
Apple is starting to move too, so. But look at that. Look at SPY again.
TikTok pulling it down. It went off and pulled it with it.
Now you wonder why I don't want to touch it. Look at that sucker.
Oh, I know. This is, yeah, it's crazy. It just can't get past that.
No, I'm so glad I didn't touch it this time.
Yeah, anybody that's watching that we're having all these issues, you should be in our Zoom anyways. Just go over there. I opened up an OG lifetime membership today. By the way, I assume at least 1,000 people's going to buy that today. Give them away as gifts, stocking stuffers, birthday presents, future Easter gifts. You probably guys have already bought 10 each. Smart. Give
Mother's
away.
Day gifts.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, Mother's Day's coming up. That one you better go diamond. Don't be going cheap on Mother's Day. You guys be going cheap ass on Mother's Day, right? You probably get slapped around. You better get the diamond. Moms are worth it. Get the diamonds for the mothers. Don't be getting that cheap premium setup. You be getting that diamond. You understand me? Set her up with something real nice. Oh, huge move here now.
Yeah, it's like a pull and just like it's like a rubber band effect.
Did anybody get in on that 561.50? If not, just wait till this candle, about 20 seconds. Just give it a minute. If you're not in it now, wait for the next candle. Let's get a confirmation of above 561.50. So if you're not in it, just wait. You got 10 seconds on the next candle. And you look at the MES too, right? This micro up here is on VWAP on the 1 minute. So wait. No confirmation above 561.50 yet. There's zero confirmation up there, right?
It just kicked off the 200.
It's no bueno yet.
Yeah.
The MES, the 200 and VWAP are right on top of themselves in the 2 minute.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's a lot going on right there.
And Google went new low day.
Apple 2 minute EWO. Looks like you guys are out. Anybody make any money off the Apple 2 minute EWO to the downside? That was a
I did
nice,
too, smaller trade.
yes. That was a nice run. It's glorious.
Yeah, you confirmation candle, coach.
Waiting for it to break higher than that previous candle to hold. This 561.77 breaks that along it. And look at on this MES up here. It's just dancing on VWAP. You guys see it? It's right here.
Yeah. This is crazy.
ASST.
It's really dangerous on SPY.
ASST is up 250% right now. Still holding on up there, 250%. SPY and QNES still not doing much, is it? Oh, good job, Orlando. Nice job. 600 on the trade, coach. Took longs off that fast retest. Good job. Still waiting for this break and hold up here. Nothing going on. Palm, this is a mess, right? This is not making any moves.
No, the indexes are pretty flat too. They're
Yeah,
just
this-
not getting much. They're not shifting at all.
No.
I mean, it's just dead in the water.
Yeah, it doesn't want to give us any type. We can't even get into a channel trade because it can't make a channel.
This is some of the toughest directional trade right here.
Yeah, this is weak sauce. Typically, gang, we can get into some kind of trade. You know, if we get into some sort of channel or pattern, but this is garbage.
Amazon's still looking good to the upside, and Apple has a good push too.
And Meta new high trying to break above pre-market.
Thank
New
you.
high
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you think any of this is because of 230 today?
Oh, 1,000,000%.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, all day.
What do we have at 230 today?
FOMC, the largest day of the year.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you know, since last FOMC, the largest trading ever will be at around 2 o'clock today. Oh, like I said, if you're a new trader, you're not used to it, don't trade. After 1 o'clock, just stay the hell away from the market. You can watch and observe and take notes and do the things, but don't get in there.
I won't be around tomorrow, by the way, coach. I got a flight to catch tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. You got a wedding?
No, I gotta go see my son for Mother's Day.
Oh, that's awesome. Good stuff.
Yeah. I'll post pictures of my seller.
Yes, good. Enjoy that. Look at this pullback.
Still first on his class.
Oh, good. Very nice.
Coach, trying to get the premium for a friend. I don't see that affiliate link up.
The link should be in the stock lounge. Let me take a peek. Yep, it is 8:18 in the stock lounge. I'll post it again. There
Not
you
that
go.
one, coach. She was looking for her she's looking for her affiliate.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, thank you.
You know what? Amazon is the trade right now. Seriously.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I agree. If it's still doing what it was doing earlier, let me look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. That broke through that double top, kept on going. Yeah, that's the move there, Palm. See it? The rest of this is just chop suey.
Yeah, this is mirroring yesterday's chop salad too.
Yep.
So just running single candle scalps in these channels.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. Give us something, man.
And it's just so dangerous. Like we have seen it pull out of nowhere, go up out of nowhere. It's just like it doesn't make sense.
Yep, it's pretty
Don't want
wild.
to chance it.
It is wild.
Tesla is starting to go down. New low on Tesla. It's pulling.
By the way, don't forget to use your affiliate links to get 30% when anybody buys one of the memberships from your affiliate link. If they do not use your link at the time of purchase, you do not get it. There
the
you
2 minute
go.
SPY.
Thank you.
2 minute SPY. It's pinched between the 200 and the 9. And it just keeps compressing, so it's got to make a decision up here somewhere.
There you go. Chad, I see you over there getting ready to get the OG 750 premium lifetime when you've been paying 125 a month. That's a freaking no-brainer. Goodness gracious. It's like Christmas around here. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. It's funny, I've been doing all these ridiculous sales. My moderators, I know for a fact, are loving life because I've got them locked into a bonus for last month and this month if we reach our target sales. So I've taken all the stuff that we have and chopped it down, right? Bargain basement prices so that all the moderators can get these big, fat, beautiful bonuses thrown right in their eye. Very nice. Good job. Speaking of that, any moderators that still haven't received your money, I'm going to try again as soon as we go offline. I was trying to use Cash App. The bank, Chase Bank, does not like Cash App. I can usually sneak 1 or 2 in there, and the rest, it thinks it's some sort of fraud. So make sure you guys have linked your PayPal, Venmo, Apple Cash, whatever it is.
They think you're washing your money or something.
Yeah, they just don't like it. I'm serious, they just don't like it at all. So, PayPal, you can use that because I use that for everything, but still, yeah, they don't like it. Chase hates Cash App.
Well, it's also a competitive product. That's why they want to make it hard for you.
Yep. Yeah. If you can link your Zelle, whatever. So if you're a moderator and you're listening to me and you haven't been paid, if you are on the payroll, you already got it this week in your check. For everybody else, we're trying to get you cash. So you need to let us know in the moderator channel, right? If you were part of our moderation team, when I said that you'd be getting those bonuses, you're all getting paid. So make sure I know how to get the money to you, and I will try again today. Just don't beat me up. Cash App sucks. Thank you. SPY pulling back off that 561.50. Look at this pullback now. Look at this thing, Palm.
I'm in it.
Yeah, it could not. It could
I just sold
not
it.
handle that gold level.
I'm just riding the chop. That's it.
Yep. Crazy. Nice pull there.
He coached at ASST. It's doing very well. You want to look at
ASST is still running.
It's in the zone. 2 to 225, 227, somewhere in there.
Yep, I see it. Good call.
Yep.
Yeah, it went up to 245. I got it at a 2. I'm trying to hold on to see if it'll do it again.
Right. Good job. I swear I have just chops. I am the opposite of everything today. Just literally the opposite of all of it. That's amazing. That's a gift today. That's the gift that keeps on giving today. Call it opposite day. Apple 2-minute EWO to the upside. Fourth indicator. Really tight around that 200.
Metabroke pre-market.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Moderators, have we sold any of those premium lifetime memberships? I figured those we should have sold about 1,000 of those so far this morning. The OG premiums that we have not had available for the last 2 years.
Nada.
Not okay. We'll turn those off today then. It's just a waste of my time. Thank you.
I'm gonna pick one up, Coach.
Thank you. Today will be your only day then. They're not selling, therefore I will not waste my time giving you everything for free. There goes that pullback again off a SPY.
Not to put too fine a point on it, Coach, but they really should just jump into the diamond and get it over with.
Yeah,
They can manage it.
yeah, I agree. Yeah, there's no reason to nickel and diamond anything, right? Just get in, get the big boy, get the Cadillac service, get the everything, get the full enchilada, the big cheese, the big kahuna, right? Very nice. You guys like my fluffy beard today because I didn't trim it down since I'm on a little mini vacay? Does it look like a big old giant fluff beard? I know.
I don't look at it.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous staring up the nose cam, isn't it? My bum shoulder's getting blown out from sitting on this desk. In case you guys are wondering why I'm like bouncing all over on this desk. The shoulder is going out. I don't have armrests like at home. So I have to put it on the desk, which I have this frozen shoulder, so it's pain. I'm literally in pain over here to make sure you guys are getting your Diamond Lifetime memberships. You understand?
I can't believe you still have that, by the way. You've been battling that for a long time. That sucks.
It's horrible. It's horrible. I was hoping I could swing a golf club this year. That would be great. Move to a place that's got 3 18-hole golf courses in our community, and I can't even swing a freaking golf club. Genius. Makes sense. Be like living on a lake and never seeing it's never seeing the lake, right? Still getting a little bit of chop. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna grab one of these sodas. Little pause for the cause. I'll be right back. All right. Guys like my little ghetto chair setup I've got with pillows all over it? Oh, by the way, do you guys want to see the ocean now that we've got like 2 minutes of some downtime? You guys want me to bring my camera over there? Maybe you can see it.
Yeah, show it to us, Coach.
All right, hold on 1 second. Let me see if I can not blow up the entire stream. Hold on. Going for a walk. You guys will have to watch it on TikTok or YouTube or one of the things, but here we go. I'm going outside. Here we go. Can you guys see?
I can't see anything.
I can't see anything, Coach.
Just your
I
logo.
can't see anything.
What's your logo?
No. On Zoom or I mean TikTok or YouTube, you have to look at those. Zoom doesn't let me use the same cameras we're using for the others. Can you guys see it? TikTok, can you guys see it? Type in a 1 if you can see. TikTok.
They can see it, Coach.
All right, awesome. How's that for a view? Huh? Look at that. That's Virginia Beach, baby. Look at that. Can you guys see all that?
Beautiful, Coach.
Is that nice?
I love Virginia Beach. It's so pretty. I got jealous when you said you were walking on the boardwalk this morning, Coach. I love that boardwalk.
Yeah, absolutely. That is here, hold on. Let me see if you guys can see it. Hold on. Let's see if I can not drop my laptop on somebody's face. That'd be great. Can you guys see down there? There's the boardwalk. Somebody on Zoom will have to open your mic and let me know you can see it.
Yep, we can see it, Coach, on
Thank
YouTube.
So yeah, that's my view. This is what I've been chilling with the last couple days at our little mini vacay. Kind of nice, right? Little ocean view setup.
Little ocean shutting.
Yep, that's why I've got the doors open. Literally, I can hear the ocean right next to me. I can feel the breeze. Get to
I love living where I live.
Yep.
Berkshire B's moving slowly, but going up.
Thank you.
Amazon new high day. Steel climbing.
Nice. You in that Amazon partner?
No, I'm in a couple hot stocks.
Gotcha. Amazon is just a perfect setup here. My gosh.
Same with Meta.
Wow.
Stock ASSET.
ASST, is it still running?
It's halted to the upside again.
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
I got a sell order for 249, hopefully.
Nice. Yeah, it's up 300% now on ASST. You guys would have gotten that with your premium or higher membership. Nice job. Good job.
Coach, I'm a new diamond. Those mentorships are unbelievable.
Oh, thank you, man. You've been watching the replays on them?
Up half the night.
Yeah, those are I mean, I'm a little biased myself, but I think that is the best thing that we've ever had before is the mentorship.
You're dropping the T in there for sure.
Yeah. And it's constant, right? Did you see one of our members the other day just announced he's made 162,000, I believe, since joining the mentorship program?
Yep, that's awesome.
It's glorious. Oh, but it's 500 a month. I don't stop selling yourself short.
Coach?
Yes.
Really, this diamond, I was planning on getting in it today, and I will, but I'm just asking, would you have that until Friday as well, or not?
I'll hold you one if you open up a ticket. I did that for somebody else. The thing
Yeah,
is,
I already have
yeah.
it open.
Okay,
And,
perfect.
just wanted to get my card to go to the next cycle
Yeah,
rather
you're
than
good.
get it.
Yeah, I got you. Don't
Okay.
worry. I got you. Yeah, as long as I know about it. And the only reason I'm saying that is because if I do have my sale on Friday, obviously you're okay. But every day I wake up and decide if I'm gonna run it again. Like I even tell Bruno, like, okay, we're gonna run it or we're not. Like every day. And at one time I'm gonna wake up and go, never again. Right? Oh, thank you. What is it?
Virgin. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, that's good. Taste that. What the heck?
Awesome.
Nice, thank you. So anyways, hold on, I got jets flying over me. It's really loud. My wife just brought me a virgin pina colada. Can you guys see it?
Penis colitis.
Ding! Bang, bang. Oh, that's good.
Bang, bang.
Tried to get
So,
one of
Coach-
those yesterday when we went out to eat, but the frozen machine or whatever it was out. Oh gosh, I don't know.
You could trade better.
For tomorrow.
Oh my. What the heck?
Steve, please.
Tesla broke VWAP,
You
coach.
want that now? It's something different.
No. Thank you.
And then this to go
This-
with it.
Oh gosh. My wife just
Coach, add the ring to your pina colada. You'll trade better.
Yeah, it's a virgin though. There's no booze in it.
That's just a waste of time.
Yeah, it's just a waste of money and calories, right? Look at it run right here. MES and ES starting to get a move, starting to get that break.
Coach, my mom, who's 79, always says if you can't taste the alcohol, it's not worth the calories.
There you go. There you go. Starting to run. See if we can find, are we going to finally get an upside push here, gang, or what? Huh? Is this going to happen? Anybody?
Tesla and TSLL are above view up now.
Thank you. Who's in the, oh, let me look. Hold on. Qs are looking nice now.
Amazon pushing it up.
Oh
It's
my
new.
God.
GPUS made new high day.
Thank you. Who is in these Amazon? These are incredible. We got to watch this on that double top breakout of 188, and it has not stopped, right?
Grab some on the pullback when you called it.
Oh my gosh, it's just glorious.
He's a beauty.
It's beautiful, Clark.
Amazon, I guess the news is that it's investing $4 billion in some AWS infrastructure in Chile.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you. Good to know. Nice, nice. That's their cloud computing, by the way, AWS. Very nice. All right. This is starting to stay up.
ASST opened and then halted again.
Yep, 326% now. Who's still in ASST hot stock pick?
Still in it. 260.
Still in it.
Oh my. Wow, it's glorious. Like I said, 1,000 shares. We caught
That's what I
it.
meant.
Yeah, it's nice, right? It's a dollar move just from here off this $1.70. Good job. Love it. It's just constantly running to the upside. Staying up nice and tall here on SPY. Finally broke and held through above that 561.50. We're still up here, right? They're going small right here. See if this will stay long. Nice and tall up here. Way up here on the ceiling. And of course, the second I went long, bye-bye. No. Crazy moves today, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, I was like, oh, this is great. It finally is making the move. It finally got the strength that it needed. It finally, nope.
The Qs are fighting you, Coach.
Yeah, I
Qs
know
are
it.
at VWAP.
I see it. I see it. I'm on it. It's all right. I went in small enough. I can add in here, but I went in small enough that even with this pullback all the way to this 21, it's only like $150. It's tiny. Small position sizes. That's the rule, right? SPY pulling way back off that 562. Oh, massive drop.
I guess still got paid on that.
Yeah, that was a massive drop. Wow.
Like $3 a share on SPX
Oh, yeah, nice job.
contracts.
Yes. Are you able to get in and out of them a little easier today? I know yesterday at the end of the day
Oh,
it was tough.
yeah, I got jammed up. And thank God it went in my favor. So yeah, 3 times I couldn't sell.
That's so scary. Yeah, it's not good. With the amount you were talking about, that's something different. Trying to get out of them.
Yeah, I certainly didn't want to see that get wiped out.
No.
Anybody got any idea what time for the restart on ASST?
Anybody got an unhauled time on ASST?
10:35:31.
There you go.
Thank you.
40 seconds, partner, okay? Now remember,
Yes, sir.
gang, if you guys don't have your stop, well, you better have your stops. Just remember, during the halt, you cannot move or adjust your stops. It has to be when it's live, okay? So don't try to do it.
What's
when
your
it's-
input on this?
Yep, so don't try to do it when it's halted.
Coach, what's your input on this?
My input is let it go as long as it can. There's no reason to ever get out of anything ever as long as it's going in your favor, right?
How much trailing stop do you put on there?
Looks like the trailing stop on it's going to be anywhere between 15 and 25 cents. I'm using the ATR. See it? It's live. New high a day. ASST, new high a day. 333%, 36. 337%. Just
72 was a previous level of resistance last time that one ran, and it went right there.
Okay, thank you. Good call. Looks like it's real close to that before I had this bleed out candle, right? First bleed out candle it's had too all day.
Yeah, little panic at resistance there.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think it just halted downside. Yep.
Yeah.
Hit 267, pulled to 243. Like I said, trailing stops around what, 15 to 25 cents. I'm just using the average true range. If you guys look at that, typically what I try to do is I go between the 1 and the 2 minute, and then I add a couple cents to it just to give it a little bit of room. Just remember, you should have a comfortable position size where you're able to have stops like that. If that was too large of a stop for you, that just means you were in too large of a position, right? Position sizes with stops is your risk management. FOMC meeting today at 2 o'clock, and then he's going to talk again at 2:30. Everybody that's newer to trading, or that is not comfortable trading through extreme volatility, you should probably put everything away. Don't trade anything after 1 o'clock and through the rest of the day. That will be very choppy. Anticipation is there will be no change as far as interest rates go, which is fine. That's what the market wants to see, is right, nothing changing. Obviously, if by some miracle he lowered interest rates, this market will be green, most likely, like you've never seen in your lives till the rest of the day. Am I right? Okay. But other than that, we're going to listen and see what he says. That will control what's going to happen the rest of the day. Just remember, though, trade the trades, not the bias, right? Trade the trades. He could lower interest rates and it still crashes. We don't know. That's what I'm saying. So don't say, oh, it's great. Just trade the trades. Use your stops, right, gang? Okay, great. Who else got a diamond membership and you're just absolutely loving it, by the way? Open your mics, let the world know. That'd be great. Go ahead.
Me, Coach. Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's been awesome, Coach.
Thank you.
Awesome, Coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Never have to buy anything again.
Thank you.
You know what I like about the Diamond members, Coach?
Tell me.
They go everywhere. They pop into this chat, pop into that chat. They're like, "Oh, this is so cool! Wow, look at over here."
Yeah, I do like that too. It's like being at a theme park. They get to get on every ride, right? No
It's
way.
awesome.
Yeah, there's no way that you can get on any ride. You got the express pass with the
We've
diamond.
had so many of them
There's
pop
just so
into
much stuff.
Yeah, we've had so many of them pop into the futures and like, yeah, we just want to, see what's going
See
on.
what
And
it
you
is,
guys
yeah.
are fun.
I mean, you
This
can
is
literally spend
fun.
your whole day training
Yes.
in all these groups. Like that, oh, I got to trade today too, but in the middle of training 23
Right.
hours a day with all the information in there.
Thank you. It's pretty awesome, right? We have a very comprehensive set of training here. You can get into so many cool things. Thank you.
Yeah, Coach, this morning with security, we had to chase away 10 people from the Apple TV one. Tell them it's not open yet, okay? It's not open
Get
yet.
out of there. Get out of there, right?
Go to the other place.
That's right. Awesome.
But just so you guys know, there's more stuff coming. Get the diamond.
Yeah, I agree. As soon as I release the platinum, which I think right now is going to be about $1,000 a month for itself, you diamond members are really going to be loving life, because that will cost you 12 grand a year just to be a part of that. You already got it. You're already going to have it. Look at this pullback. Major pullback here. Everybody see it? So now our channel on SPY is 562. And that 561.50, which we already had as a gold level, right? $562 to $561.50. That's the channel. See it, Palm?
Yep, definitely. I was catching the bounce when you were talking.
Yeah, nice job. Yeah, if we get a break and hold below that, I'll just short the hell out of it, because that was a gold level before at 561.50. I'm going to be wrapping up here in a couple minutes. Remember, everybody, Diamond lifetime membership, and today only, OG brought back the premium lifetime membership for $750, one-time payment on that premium membership. That's normally $125 a month. That's been gone for 2 years. Get it. We sell enough of them, I'll run it again tomorrow. If we don't sell any, you'll never see it again as long as you live. Thank you. Diamond
Is
lifetime
that the OG
memberships.
membership you're talking about?
It is. It's the OG that's been gone for 2 years. Yep.
750? Yeah, that's a hell of a deal,
Yes,
Coach.
it is.
Man.
Thank you.
Man, that's a hell of a deal.
Thank you. That's why I was saying the people that got it earlier, think about it, years ago, it's paid for itself a million times over.
Yeah, you should tell the people, man, open the ticket. If you really want to do it today or at the end of the week, at least open a ticket.
I agree.
I appreciate you, Coach. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, listen, I never have a problem as long as you guys open a ticket because then I at least know. It wasn't like, oh, I wish I would have got it. If you open a ticket, I can work with you because I know you're serious about it. If you don't, then the deal's gone. I don't know what to tell you, right? Just open the ticket, talk. I don't have a problem with that. I work with everybody all the time on all the things. If you're like, Coach, I want a diamond, but I got to put it on 5 cards. I don't care. I can do that. We don't have an issue. Then we can do it. We can work out anything. Just go over there. Thank you.
Hey,
It's
Coach.
funny. When I used to own a bunch of computer stores because I had 5 retail computer stores once upon a time. I used to barter services with all the local shops all the time. Everything from chiropractic to haircuts to I was like, hey man, I hook you up, you hook me up, right? I I was the wheel deal man. Like whatever you need, I'll take care of used car sales guys, like whatever, anything you guys need, I'll take care of you. We'll exchange services. Like it was awesome. Anyway, somebody said, hey coach, go ahead.
Hey, Coach. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm a new diamond, and I just want to say you guys are awesome. Bruno is by far the best. So thank you very much for all your help.
Thank you. I'll let Bruno know quietly. I don't want him to get too big of a head, but I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. His head may explode if you heard that.
Yeah, we don't need that to go real far, but I appreciate you. Yeah, he does a great job. Everybody here on the team does amazing work. And thank you for letting us know. I appreciate you. Thank you for the Diamond, trusting me with your hard-earned money with the Diamond membership. Appreciate it.
There's a lower volume stock I was messing with in post market yesterday, and I picked it up this morning on the bounce at $25. And it's lower volumes, so it's tougher to trade spreads, that sort of thing. So it's not a new trader trade.
Yeah.
But I picked it up at 100 shares at $25. It just halted at 47.
Oh wow, good trade. Yeah, that's a great trade. Nice job. Good
Small
job.
position size, but it's been dicey all morning.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's harder with lower volume too. Did you say it was a lower volume stock?
Yeah, it was only trading, I don't know, 30 or 40,000 shares, but this morning it's got 1 million shares in, so there was a little more behind it.
Yeah.
And it was like $2.50 spreads last night in the post market, so I was kind of scalping away on it. And then this morning it took a nice bounce, so I got back in.
Yeah, real good. Yeah, I take them a little bit more seriously once they hit 500,000, right? So once I see about 500K volume, and then I really take a close eye on it. Anything over 1 million is great, but anything over 500K, I'll really look at it seriously. So good job. Good job. By the way, the person you're listening to, Palm over here, right? One of the world's greatest traders has had, what was it, a $1.8 million trading day and a 1.2 single trade day off of one trade before. Incredible. I think I got it right. Last time I got it all wrong. Numbers were all over the place, but good job. That's the kind of trading that we have in the room, right? Everybody from trading these micros of $30 to people making millions in a single day or a single trade, right? That's the scope of room you guys are in. Isn't that nice to be able to be in a room like that?
It's incredible.
And everyone is treated the same, which is what's so great. I feel like even though I have a small account, nobody, that's still awesome when I make gains and it's still celebrated by everybody. So
yes, absolutely.
It's amazing.
Amazing. I mean, think about it. We even put up with people like Dawn in here every day. And we don't say anything. You know what?
Code.
Oh,
I'm gonna tell her
Dawn's
if
just
she didn't hear it.
lightweight.
Da-da-da.
She's just lightweight.
That's great.
It's lately Mark has been picking on Richard.
Oh, right. That's all right. Richard can take it.
Yeah, heck yeah, you can.
Yep, for sure.
Richard,
I don't know.
Richard's
I
got
think
big
that Maria
shoulders.
gets a little
He does.
questionable sometimes.
He does. Oh, look at this trade. This is turning into a nice trade off these NQs. Look at this thing pulling and pulling and pulling. Sitting at that 561.50, that was support we talked about earlier. It's hit this a lot. Oh, yeah, nice pull. That's a beautiful little trade. I'll take
At the
it.
55 on the 2-minute.
Yes, nice trade. Like it. Good job. Back at that 561.50 support level for SPY. Bottom of the channel. Everybody see it? Be careful. You can get a break of that. You'd be looking for that pull down to that 200 around 561.20-ish.
You know, Coach, I'm looking at your new indicators.
Yes.
And that just bounced at previous day close on NQ.
Oh,
MNQ.
nice. Yes. How are you guys liking Trade and View Indicators 3.0? Everybody liking that?
Pretty amazing.
It's actually impressive.
Yes, they're amazing, Coach.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
The
There's even
mods have
another
thinking
access
section
for
down
you.
there that lets you know you're not on a 2-minute EWO. Love that.
Thank you.
MNQ
Yeah.
breaking below the 50.
Yeah, see. We'll get
And
him a
we've
little.
already made some changes. Mods are testing the 3.1 as we speak.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we're constantly trying to make it better and better and better.
Yeah, they added some future specific things for us.
That's right. Yeah, you guys will get to see it in ticks. Hopefully
Yep.
you guys will like that.
Yeah, and we got some additional levels, week high low, day high low, month high low.
Yep.
Good stuff.
Good, good. Glad you guys are liking that. Another great trade here again off of this short. Taking some off the table. Taking more. One left. Beautiful. Look at this trade. Who got in these shorts? Glorious.
I did.
Yes.
Hey,
that was-
Coach.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, what's happening with
Bounce.
Google?
Is it pulling like these are?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's somebody on the news somewhere. Remember, today's going to be really crazy, right? FOMC day. Market's going to be a nut. Proceed with caution today.
Yeah, Google's pulling extremely hard.
Yeah. Look at SPY, NQ, ES, Apple, everything. Massive pull, right? I like it. I'm gonna add in here. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Take some off. Two left.
Coach, Google is the worst.
Oh, is Google getting destroyed?
Yes.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's pretty rough. It's just like SPY. I mean, look at SPY. I'm of course over here trading NQ and it's doing the same thing. It's just getting wrecked. I love it. Who else loves it when the market just does this? It's a gift,
It's
right?
my favorite, Coach. It's my favorite.
Yep, it's a gift. It's the gift that keeps on giving right here. Wow, that was nice. Remember, I said, right, if you can get that break and hold below 561.50, which was a previous gold level, that's why I went in twice on those shorts, right? Went in twice on that. Making money hand over fist now that we've got a direction in the market. Anybody else?
You know it.
Good job. Just working this thing. What a beautiful move. Palm, please tell me you're in all this.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Got to be something powered with Google because Amazon and Apple really aren't doing anything.
Yeah, SPY's getting wrecked. Yes. Let's take PQs are getting wrecked. So all the Mag 7 should be getting hammer timed. It's beautiful. Still heavy. Okay.
Looks like news.
Yeah, something, right? For sure. Somebody's talking. Please tell me every one of you are making fat loots.
Almost had a heart attack.
Yeah,
Trade.
you guys are seeing me trade the heck out of this, right? You should be too.
And there's some negative news about Google Threat Intelligence Group, something.
All right, thank you.
Yeah,
That's not enough to make this move though.
No, not the whole market. This is like a massive mover. Everybody should still be printing these shorts on the break of 561.50, yes?
Up 75% on Google puts.
Thank you.
559 is a gold line.
559, okay, thank you. Good to know. We're sitting right at it then, right? Yep.
I had Google gold at like 159.20.
Good call on that, Palm.
I cleared out right there.
Yep. It breaks it there. I'll
Coach,
hammer it again. Good call.
Yep.
That's bouncing off your trend line, and there's a ES has got a 56.25 gold level from history.
Thank you.
That's also green to red.
Oh, yeah. Previous day close. Thank you. Good calls.
Hey, coach, you remember whenever I said I was waiting to get in and attack it?
Yes, that was the move,
Waited
wasn't it?
35. Yeah, I waited 35 minutes, got in it at 60 cents, sold it at 90 cents, 50% positive trade.
Yes. Good job, partner. What a great
Thank you,
feeling.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Great feeling. Good trade. I like the way you were waiting patiently for your setup. I love it. No better feeling in the world when you put it all together, right?
I mean, you said it better than I could have.
Thank you. Good job. Good job. Palm nailed it with this 559 and previous day close. Major level, right?
Flip calls for a quick bounce.
Yep. Good job.
But now they're gone. quick bounce, like seconds.
That was fast, right?
Yeah. Like I said, if it breaks below, I'll go back in. Otherwise, I gotta find the upside.
Yep, absolutely. I dipped a toe in it again to the short. Just because I saw the way it stalled when it was trying to go up. Stalled fast.
Tesla's on a double bottom.
Yeah, it's really heavy there, right?
Going now.
Coach, what would cause a move like this?
News. Somebody on the news somewhere saying something.
Trigger words.
Yep, yep, yep. Remember, news catalyst always overrides technical, right?
True there, my friend. Thanks.
Yep, yep. Just glad we're all here together, riding it out. $5.59, Palm. You couldn't have called that any better, right?
Yeah, I'm writing some calls again.
Yep. I got greedy, had 10, took 2, 8 burned me, but I got some. Could have took more off of that. Yep.
Yeah, 559.70 is resistance, right? Because that was support earlier this morning.
That's right. Yeah, it'll take you right up to that 9 too on the 1 minute. Oh, I was looking at the helicopter. Nice and nice. Everybody over on TikTok. Anybody make any money? Type in a 1 if you made any money today. TikTok, you don't stop. Let me know. Type in a 1. Thank you. Type them in. Get them in there. Thank you. Down on ASST. We ran that all the way up since the open today, up to 267. How could you possibly be down on that? Come on, Mouse Mickey, what's going on over there? Oh, good job, Diesel Dave. Spy getting heavy again here. Sitting on that bottom area. Same exact spot. There we go. There's the flush we were looking for. Who's in that? Woo-wee! Yes. Oh, that's nice. Anybody get in that one with me?
I flipped out of those calls back into puts at the 559.70.
Yes, good job. This is a beautiful flush.
Yep.
That's right at green to red right there, boss.
Yeah, that's right. And it just got hammered when it went through it, didn't it, partner?
Yep, it did.
2 left. Took out 75% of my trade. If it pulls again, I'll add. Otherwise, I'm just taking the money. As it shows me more, I take more. If it goes in my favor, I add in. Goes against me, I take it off. Literally watching it right here. Adding in. If it drops below this right here, previous low level, I'll add in again. Bounces up like this, I'll take it off. Closing this out just because it got such a weird bad fill. Sometimes it does that. If it gives me a weird bad fill like that, I just immediately get out. I like it here again. Love it below this. 819.50 for you, below 550, below 559 is what I'm looking for. As long as we stay below 559 on SPY.
We can beat the dead horse one more time. The Apple 2-minute current play is over 33%.
Oh, that's great.
We got to watch right here at 197 area. If we can hold under that, good, because that was the previous day low.
Yes, great job. You guys got to go down, up, and then down again, right, partner? 3 times today. Beautiful. Good job.
There's a news, Basent says China negotiations will begin on Saturday in Switzerland. But
gotcha, okay.
Nothing definitive.
Yeah, nothing major. Thank you. These ones got stopped out just because they bounced off that key area here. They want to stay in there. That's why I've got those stops in place. What a beautiful run, though, right? We hammered this when it broke below 561.50. Rode this all the way down to 558.60. That's a nice move, right, gang?
You bet, boss.
Yeah, that is nice. Good job, All right, listen, gang, I'm going to take off. Seriously, though, grab that Diamond Lifetime membership. Everything we have available, all membership services included in our mentorship program today. You can get all of it. All of our membership services today and any that I create in the future, get it right now. If you just want to get into our OG premium membership, that typically starts at $125 a month. You guys can get its lifetime membership today for $750 one-time payment. I haven't had that in over 2 years. That is our original plan that we started American Dream Trading with 3 years ago. You can get it today. A little flashback sale for you. Get over there. Get it. Get it now. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you so much for helping me every single day in our community. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day.
Hoorah!
Thank you. And thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. I'll take it. Good enough. Listen, we are live 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11. Mark is then here for futures training every day from 2 to 4 o'clock. And then join us in the aftermarket over on our YouTube channel at American Dream Trading. You can have Dawn over there and the entire panel of amazing stock market traders and trainers. So live 3 times a day. Again, if you're interested in joining us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up for the free Discord. If you need help at any time, open up a help desk ticket in our Discord. We will never reach out to you. We will never send a friend request. We will never say we will trade. We will never ask how you are doing. Those are all fake accounts. By the way, the market's pulling again right here. Love your faces, everybody. Have a blessed day. Tomorrow, again, I will be traveling in the morning, but I should be available to go live again tomorrow. Sorry again for the weird internet access while I was here in Virginia Beach. Love your faces. I'm out. Have a blessed day.